Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to make this very festive placemat. What's unique about it is it has this little pocket that has this diagonal edge with the rickrack on it. And this is so that you can either put a fabric napkin in if you want, or you can slide your utensils in there also. If you want to learn how to make fabric napkins, there will be a link below your YouTube screen in the description section. Okay, let's get started. This placemat is really easy. Now, out of every half yard or so, you can get 2 placemats. So I've cut mine 14.5 inches one way and 18.5 inches the other way. You can cut them any size you like. So this is my fabric for the top and this is my fabric for the back. I'm using iron-on fusible interfacing, but you can use fusible fleece or you can even use cotton batting. Just remember, if you use cotton batting, you need to do quilting stitches all over the placemat. For each pocket, you'll need 1 7-inch square. Then cut out 1 square 7 inches of your fusible interfacing. Then cut that corner to corner and place it on the edge on one side. Then fold it over in half and press, fusing your interfacing on. Take 1/2 inch wide rickrack and place it along the edge. And I'm letting the rickrack extend out past the fabric edge just a little bit, and then stitch right along here. Place your interfacing down first with the glue side up. Take your fabric for the top of the placemat and place it on top of that. Then take your pocket and place it in the corner like this, and you might want to do a little basting stitch on these 2 edges. Then take your fabric for the back of the placemat, place it on top. Place pins around all of the edges. On one edge, make sure you leave an opening that you can turn it front side out. So when I begin stitching, I'm going to start stitching here. This is where I will end, where the 2 pins are. That's a reminder not to stitch past that. So always back stitch on each side of your opening. You're going to do a 1/4 inch wide seam, stitch down to this, towards this corner, stop when you get a 1/4 inch away, turn your fabric, and continue stitching. And do that at all 4 corners. Then as you stitch around back to here, do a back stitch. After stitching, then trim some of the fabric off of the corners and go across at a diagonal, and then take a little bit more off of each side of that. And you do this on all 4 corners. Then reach in through your opening and begin turning it front side out. Then you're going to press, and you want to press it for a while so that that interfacing fuses onto the fabric. While you are pressing, make sure you fold your opening edges inside so that it's straight across here, and press it. Then after you've done your fusing and your pressing, you're going to stitch about 1/8 of an inch all the way around all 4 sides from the edge. Well, here it is. It's all done. Isn't this cute? I just think this is really festive looking. Now, I've already put the napkin in it. If you are interested in learning how to make fabric napkins, I will have a link below your YouTube screen in the description section. I'll also have other placemats that you can view to see if you'd like to use those during the holiday season. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.